video of how to set up the SumUp characteristics. So this is the default display of the machine. To get out of this, you need to swipe up from the bottom and you'll see these little buttons appear. If you press the middle one, then you need to put in the code when this screen appears, which is very easy to remember: 54321. Press the green button and you'll be back to the Android desktop. In here you will find an item called Tixium SumUp Pay, this one here. So click on that. So this basically is the thing that does the payment via the SumUp terminal. What you need to do is you need to log in with your own details. So as you could see there, it's logged in with my own settings. Show logged in merchant. Yeah, so it's logged in as me. So at the moment, any payments taken by SumUp are going to go to my account. So you need to change that. If you go to log in, put your own, log out then. Log out. So log in. So you need to put in here your own details. I'll enter mine again just to show you the process. I'll just hide my password, but there's not much money in there, so you're not going to gain much by knowing it. Okay, so get my password in, log in. Okay, try again. Maybe second time lucky. Yeah, so we're logged in. It's got my details. When you've done it for your own details, it's going to be fine. The way then to check that you're communicating okay with the SumUp is to go charge. Let's see if I can get the SumUp device in the photo swirl. Okay, if I can get them both in like that, maybe. So because this is successfully connected before, it all seems fine, of course. So the ticket machine shows that, which is the same screen that you'll get when you do a transaction with the thing in real life, and the SumUp machine shows that. Obviously £1.12 is just a test thing. The easiest way to cancel a transaction is to press the power button on the machine. If you press that, it does that, and on the machine it goes customer cancel transaction. That's definitely the best way to cancel a transaction. There are other ways by pressing buttons on the machine, but that seems most effective if you dismiss that. So as I say, put your login details in, make sure it's logged in, everything is fine. Once you put those details in once, other than if SumUp decide to somehow change things, you'll never have to do them again. But just bear in mind that that is a procedure that does have to be gone through occasionally. So to get out of that, we'll just press that square button, cancel all the apps. Press the red button on the password screen. Don't worry about that. I'll get rid of that little squiggle. That was just a test. So there we are. It's logged into your thing. So this is how to use the machine. We've set it up with operator 1 and a pin code of 1595 for the time being. Any duty number will do. Once you're logged in, you'll be at this screen, which should have the tickets according to what you sent me. So I think that's the entirety of the tickets. If there's more, they'll scroll up and down, which they're not doing. So that's it. And to issue a ticket, let's go for child single because it's cheapest. If you choose on this button to toggle between cash or card. If you go for cash, it will just print out like that. If you go for card, then what's going to happen when you go print is it takes you to the SumUp screen, logs me in, and if we put the SumUp thing there, then within a few seconds you can see that the SumUp's then ready to do its £1.80, I'll have to get a card now. So I get my card, present it to the machine, it goes beep, and this one goes, do you want to set, well, this one obviously recognises the transaction's been done, it says successful. If you want to send a receipt via email or SMS, you can do it here, but normally we just do skip. And then the ticket will print out, and this ticket, because it's been done by card, will have on it, thank you for paying cashless, card, well, redacted card number ending 5601, which is my card, and then type Visa and the transaction code, which I don't think you'll ever need. If you wanted to annul that ticket, the way to annul a ticket paid by card is to do it through the SumUp, by your SumUp login from a PC or iPad or something. There's no facility on the machine to do an annulment. You don't need to see the customer's card to do an annulment. I'll just show you the ticket, of course, with that paid in cash doesn't have the paid by cashless. Surprise, surprise. Just shows the details of the ticket and not the payment. So that's it really. If you want to issue more than one ticket at a time, you can add them. So you can go child, press the plus button, child plus, I don't know, child plus MISC, they are. Add the two things together, and we'll print them on cash. And so you've got supermarket type tickets like on the Casio, so they come out on one piece of paper. So that's pretty much it. If you want, on this screen, the times button just multiplies the number of tickets up. So again, if we did 9, it would just come out on one piece of paper. The cross button is not, the red cross is not a times, it's a cancel. That's it. Menu allows you to do the a few things. Change route, change journey, you don't really need because you haven't got a sense of routes and journeys. But sign out, for example, will get you back to the original signed out screen eventually. So there you go.